Hello everyone, welcome back to Ratchet and Clank, Up Your Arsenal. So, last time we entered the planet Aquatos, and we went into the super duper super secret hidden underwater base. So, let's see what we're doing here. First of all, I'm pretty sure that our section as Clank goes straight through here, and we go to this little central room. We go right up here and straight through here, and that's Clank's section. Ratchet's section starts here and goes all the way around here through the outer part of this room and straight to here. And with the help of next karate move. Fuck, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
No monkeying around. Monkeying. We are on an important mission.
Clank, that little sucker will chase bananas any place you shoot him. Give it a try.
Alright. I forget what the name of the monkey is, but it's an alien monkey. So basically, you just do this.
Clank, that little monkey can climb pipes like you wouldn't believe. Shoot a banana across that gap and watch him go.
And then
Clank, if the guards discover you, just shoot a banana and have the monkey distract them.
Ratchet, I need you to extend the bridge at junction G5.
So, this introduces a very interesting mechanic that, honestly, I'm kind of fond of, because this definitely seems like something that would actually happen. So, you remember those minigames back from, Ratchet and Clank 1, where you basically had to disguise yourself as a little warbot and you had to wave at everyone? Or in the 2016 remake, you had to do that with Captain Quark as a hologuise? Kind of the same thing here, but with an interesting twist.
Ratchet, I found some online instructions for the Tyrhannoids. Let's see. When you speak to a Tyrhannoid, you should see a holographic display. Just tap or hold the correct button as it moves across your display. Watch what you say, though. These guys have really nasty tempers.
So, kind of like this. Excuse me, good sir. Would you kindly open that door for me? It is an honor and a privilege, my Tyrhannoid brother. Now, you really don't want to take off any, you really don't want to take off your disguise, and I'm pretty sure they have security systems to take out Lombaxes. I emit a noxious... fucking triangle button. I emit a noxious effluvium in your general direction. I have to deliver a message from Dr. Nefarious. You look suspicious. Who are you? I am a loyal servant of Dr. Nefarious, certainly not a Lombax. Very well. One can't be too careful. Up, down, triangle, square. Don't tell anyone, but I hid 5 bolts under this girder. Haha, sucker, it's all mine now. I gotta say, that's a pretty good trick. Oh boy. Damn it. Oh, I see. Doink. I think this guy's name is Scrunch, but I don't recall. Let's listen.
Look, Gadgebots! I love those little guys. To give them command, just hold triangle and select a command with the left analog stick.
Sweet, okay. So, Scrunch can't attack, but these guys can. Considering they're shorter than I am, it's pretty clear that I can't exactly hit this fan. Did he just call them Gadgebots? Because I'm pretty sure it's Gadgetbot, like Gadgetbot, like Gadgetbot. But whatever. Crap, I think only 2 of my little guys made it over. Pretty sure there was 4 of us. Oh no, wait, here they come. Wow, they really do follow you from a distance. Handy.
The number on it is a bot port. Select Enter from the bot command menu to order your gadget bots into the port. When the number hits 0, the port will unlock.
Alright. Come on. Phew. I'm here to repair the hollow bit in the break room. It's about time. We missed yesterday's Secret Agent Clank episode. Wow, they're into that? Would you mind extending the bridge, sir? You have no clearance. How do I know I can trust you? smell like a dead amoeba's backside. Damn it. Because I'll give you my sister's phone number, and I'm definitely not a Lombax. Oh, why didn't you say so? I think it works because I can't prove I'm not a Lombax, or I am one.
Well, what took you so long?
Clank, what are you doing here? You're supposed to meet me on the surface.
I thought I would help.
Well, you can give me a hand searching Dr. Nefarious' office. Let's see. Uh-oh, look at this. The complete Secret Agent Clank Holovid collection. Huh, this guy's your biggest fan.
That is rather disturbing. I have downloaded an encrypted star map. Perhaps Al can decode it.
Great. Let's get back to the Phoenix.
Sweet. That is a lot of episodes. I guess Clank's show really is amazing. Alright, where are we going now? Oh boy. I think I know exactly where I am. This is the area where you can essentially get a lot of amoeboid crystals.
Whoa, deja vu.
Oh, it's you two again. Right on schedule. This here is one of the nastiest, smelliest sewers in the galaxy. Most guys wouldn't set foot in a place like this, but me? I just can't get enough.
Right. Well, we were just passing through. You can get back to whatever you were doing.
Hey, if you find any sewer crystals, I'll pay you for them in bolts. I'm making something special for the missus.
Sewer crystals. We'll keep that in mind.
Ah, fresh from the bowels of a king amoeboid.
Ew. There are 99 sewer crystals left to find. Good God. I'm gonna come back to that later. Fresh from the bowels of a king amoeboid. Blech. All right.
Sorry to disturb your work, sir, but you may want to know that your impenetrable secret base on Aquatos has been penetrated.
Impossible!
If you say so, sir. They apparently stole some sort of data disk. Well, I must be off now. Dirty laundry and whatnot.
Who is responsible for this outrage?
I believe it was a Captain Quark or something.
be the love of my life.
You really should have that looked at.
That moron could never hope to match wits with the likes of me.
If anyone can beat a moron at his own game, it's you, sir. He has, however, assembled a group of elite agents known as the Q-Force.
What? This Q-Force must be stopped. Destroy them, eradicate them, annihilate them all!
It's on my to-do list, right after folding your undergarments.
I love the look on his face like, wait, what? Oh, whatever. That's great. Why does a robot need to wear undergarments? He's made of metal. He's not made of skin and bones.
Well, team, I believe some congratulations are in order. After all, my plan worked even more perfectly than expected. Well?
Way to go, dude.
Don't mention it. I'm just doing my job. Now that I know where the Tyrhannoids are coming from, I can put a stop to this alien menace once and for all. With utter disregard for my own safety, I've drawn up an ingenious plan for an attack on Tyrhannosis. First, I shall humbly step aside, allowing Ratchet to free fall down and take out the mortar launchers at the landing site. Once the mortars have been silenced, the dropship will make its descent. Next, Ratchet will take the assault vehicle from the dropship, make his way to the 4 plasma cannon turrets, and destroy them. Once the turrets have been knocked out, Ratchet will personally lead the assault on the main enemy base. All right, let's get to it. Yes, you there in the front.
Yeah, hi. I was just wondering, what are the rest of you gonna be doing while I'm down there getting blasted?
We'll be monitoring the situation closely from here. Actually, we'll be down at the lunch buffet on deck 5. It's Meatloaf Day. But we'll be rooting for you every step of the way.
Yeah, man, we got your back.
Yeah, the plan is excellent.
Tyrhannosis. It is time to put a stop to this invasion.
Send a fruit basket to 226 Moon Lane on Marcadian. Sign the card. Your devoted slave, Porky.
Well, at least I'll be accomplishing more than Core could ever accomplish here.
A new suit of armor is available at the Gadgetron armor vendor.
Ratchet, that new armor suit for sale at the vendor is constructed from ionized adamantine alloy. That's one of the hardest substances in the galaxy. But I suppose you already knew that.
Actually, I didn't, but cool to know.
You aren't wearing your regulation green Q-Force tights. I suggest you get your butt back in uniform before I write you up for a dress code violation.
I suppose I can buy this in the meantime. Alright, I know it's probably a bit early to be ending an episode, but I figure I might as well. So, until next time everyone, in the next episode of Ratchet and Clank Up Your Arsenal, we're going to begin the assault on Tyrhannosis, and hopefully put an end to this menacing threat once and for all. I don't mean the threat of the game, I mean the threat that's like invading a lot of planets. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want more content in the future, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell. and I'll see you next time.